Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I've got another unboxing for you and I've got Asos and this is their December beauty box. If you're new to the Asos box, I'll just give you a quick lowdown telling you all about it, but if you know all there is to know about it, you will find a timestamp down below in the comments, so you're free to flick forward. So the Asos box is a monthly beauty box. It's not a subscription. They release a box onto their website, usually the first few days of the month, and you can see exactly what's inside the box. The cost of the box is £12 unless they do a collaboration type box, which then the prices go up to £15 or £18. In the past, they've had collaboration boxes with Pixie, Bobbi Brown, with Clinique, so yeah, so those tend to be a little bit more pricier. Now usually these boxes sell out super fast. The last few months they've been sold out within the afternoon. As soon as they've launched, couple of hours and they're gone. If you are one of those that keep missing out on this box, as soon as I find out, I put it everywhere. I put it on my Facebook page and my Instagram page, which are both Diaryofabeautygeek, and also I put it on my community tab on here on YouTube. So yeah, as soon as I find out, I buy one for myself and then I let you all know. So click your notifications on all my socials. That will enable you then to know exactly when these boxes come out to see if it is a box for you or not. All the products that are inside the boxes can be found on the Asos website, and inside tends to be a mix of full size and like mini travel sizes, and we've had some samples in there as well. So I think that's it as far as information goes. If I've missed anything out, you're welcome to ask me down in the comments, but yeah, all links and everything related to this box if it's still available, and also any deals going on with Asos at the moment. I know they've had a huge sale over Black Friday weekend, and yeah, I think there was up to like 80% off everything, including their face and body range as well. But yeah, if that's still there, you'll find it down in the description. But yeah, so on to showing you what's inside the December box. There's no card in this one. Normally there's a card and it tells you the theme and it tells you a little bit about the products, but there's none of that in this box, so I'll just show you as we go along. I'll give you a sneak peek first. I forgot the name of this box. I think it's called a Glam edit. It doesn't say on here, it just says December Asos box. So yeah, so going through them then one by one. I'm dying to open this. This is by Revolution Pro and it's the Ultimate Eye Look palette in So Jaded. It's a little bit over the top for me. Not really keen on that at all. It's just a little bit, yeah, a bit over the top there. So you've got a mirror there and look at those shades. Stunning, stunning, stunning. Oh, I hope they're good. I hope they're good. Let's try some. Ooh, they feel really buttery. There's a little mini swatch there for you. You might not be able to see the palest one there. But yeah, so you've got quite a dark greeny grey there. Got another green there and then the gold. Oh, I think that's lovely. I think that's really nice. I'm really chuffed with that. Next, we've got a beauty blending sponge, and this is by Real Techniques. It's to apply foundation, concealer, any liquids to your face. So that's what it looks like there. You're supposed to put it under water, and then it softens up and it expands quite big then. So it's just easier to apply your makeup. And yeah, I really like them. I really love sponges. I find that they press into my skin a lot nicer than brushes. I do use brushes as well though, but it depends on the finish. So yeah, so we got a new sponge there. Then we got some lashes. These are Professional Dainty Lashes by Prima Lash. See there? They look really pretty. They haven't got any glue with them, but I do love the way they sort of fan out there. So I've cut them off there. I'd cut them off about that and then have it like that then, because I've got quite small eyes. But yeah, they're really pretty. I do really like them. But I do know that eyelashes in boxes are very hit and miss. Very hit and miss. Some love them, some hate them. Next we've got a mascara. This is by Smashbox and this is the Superfan, the Fade Out Mascara. I'll just show you. I've already got one of these as well. Not a mascara for me for my top lashes, if I'm honest. I don't really like it for my top lashes, but the one I have got, I use it for my bottom. It's no mess then, it's just easier to apply, but my top lashes, nah. And then lastly, we've got a lipstick, and I absolutely love this. This is by Bare Minerals, and it's in shade Courage. I can't remember where I got it from. I think it's in a limited edition Latest in Beauty box maybe. It is just so lovely. It's only a little mini one. It is beautiful. Really, really pretty. It is so, so pretty. I really like it. I love the feel of it as well. It just says Hydra Smoothing Lipstick, free of dryness. And yeah, that's it really. But just to recap, we've got a Bare Minerals mini lipstick. We've got a Smashbox, a little mini or travel size mascara. We've got a full size Prima Lash false eyelashes set. We've got a full size Real Techniques beauty blending sponge. And then lastly, we've got a Revolution Pro, a Jaded eyeshadow quad palette. Besides the eyelashes and the eyeshadow palette, I've had all the other items before, so I sort of know what they're like. I really love that lipstick, really love it. The beauty blending sponge I use, so I'm happy to have another one. It's nice and clean. The mascara, I'll probably gift that away. But yeah, the eyeshadow palette, I'm really, really excited about that. I think it's a good box for £12, definitely worth the money there, but it's only good if you're going to use the products, isn't it? So yeah, so we're all individual in what we like and don't like. So as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of this box? Did you buy it for yourself, or are you wondering if this is for you or not? All your thoughts and opinions, I'd love to know, so please comment down below. But I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care, and I'll speak soon. Bye.